Physics in Necrotic World, Season 6 Space, Episode 132, Planetary Orbits. Welcome, strangers. The rate that the planet is curving is the same rate of the stuff orbiting a planet within a stable orbit. Inertia is a top velocity on the horizontal plane that means that it misses the planet and doesn't crash, like the dinosaurs or something, but follows the expected path, whether elliptically or in a sausage shape, or circular, so in a circle shape. This is a constant state of freefall, as the inertia and gravity is all balanced out neatly in terms of the force pair present here. A low orbit, so a polar orbit, can be used to survey the surface of said planet, as the planet is spinning underneath the orbiting thing's watchful Big Brother eye style eye. Big Brother style eye. 1984 wasn't the end of the world. Sorry, Orwell, mate. ORWELL. He said, whoever controls the present controls the past. Which is true. That is true in that history we write is biased and subject to change, just as fiction is, as nothing is safe. But you know, this is such a lovable topic. Makes me think about quarks and stuff. You know, quarks as in QUARKS. A cocktail of flavors that make up the universe, or a mocktail with the M being the matter, to be more precise. I mean, imagine someone casually asking you if you had all the matter ale, you know, mocktail, cocktail, matter ale. You'd be like, what do you mean? Material? Cocktail? Mocktail? I mean, that would be funny. Something in a polar orbit around the Earth would be taking a leisurely stroll around to reach the same fixated point every so often. In fact, every 90 minutes or so. A higher orbit would be a geostationary orbit, which is often used with global communications, as it has an actually fixed point of hovering over the surface of our planet, and this circular geostationary orbit takes about 24 hours, and so it's pretty neat for relative timekeeping too. Medium Earth orbit satellites are banded together as a gang for the GPS, well, the Global Positioning System, to work with. So GPS uses sophisticated triangulation techniques. So, you know, like, so stable orbits allow for things to not crash into planets. So there's no Armageddon and dinosaurs dying and stuff. See you next time at Physics in the Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian, R out.